Hello and welcome to Motor Watching Crewe. Today we will be showing you around this used Mitsubishi Outlander 2.2 DI-D Juro 4-wheel drive. Finished in red and powered by 2.2-liter diesel engine producing 146 PS paired with manual transmission, this Outlander combines efficiency with practicality for your road adventures. The front of Outlander showcases projectile halogen headlights with LED daytime running lights, a bold chrome grille and color key bumpers for refined appearance. The 18-inch alloy wheels enhance the car's road presence and contribute to smooth ride. And at the back, privacy glass and dark and light clusters create a sleek finish. The high-mounted stop lamp and color-keyed rear spoiler provide both safety and style. The Outlander offers spacious boot with retractable luggage cover and underfloor compartment, plus 60/40 split folding second row seats and 50/50 split folding third row seat for extra flexibility. Passengers in the bike enjoy ample space in the second row with height adjustable headrest, ISOFIX child seat mounts and fold-down armrests with cup holders. The third row provides two extra seats which can be folded flat. Up front, the heated seats with slide and recline adjustment offer comfort, while the cabin benefits from glossy black trim and quality materials. The driver's seat is height adjustable, ensuring tailored driving position, and the leather steering wheel is also adjustable, housing audio and phone controls. Behind it, the digital instrument display provides clear driving information, including drivetrain mode and trip computer details, keeping everything within easy view. You get dual zone climate control, which ensures both driver and passenger can travel in comfort, and the infotainment system equipped with DB digital radio and 6 speakers for clear sound, as well as Bluetooth with music streaming and smartphone link for seamless smartphone integration. There's also vehicle info menu with access to key data at a glance, as well as GPS position and plenty of settings to customize your preferences quickly. The driver will additionally benefit from assistance from the reversing camera, displayed clearly on the screen. This has been a presentation of the Mitsubishi Outlander 2.2 DI-D Juro 4-wheel drive. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.